There's something called the SEC rule, the SEC rule. Can I say that?
Yes.
SEC. Whenever you meet someone new, this is somebody I've never met. Number one, you smile. A smile will usually attract a smile, isn't it? And then E, eye contact. And whenever your eyes lock with anybody, let your lips drop down or open your mouth. Say something. C is comment. Comment something nice. Don't comment on things that are creepy on their body. Just say, I like your outfit. Today, somebody might live here with a girlfriend because of the SEC rule. Smile, eye contact, compliment. Can you say that with me? Smile, eye contact.
Compliment.
Usitoke hapa kama hujafanya hivyo. Smile. Don't eyes with someone and you are so serious nikao libatizo kwa maji ya ndimu. Whenever your eyes lock with someone, please drop your lips, open your mouth, say something good about what? The weather. Just say, that preacher is nice. Don't start complaining. You know, now this guy is... Huyu jamaa amesimama hapa mbele yangu. Nobody likes people who are complainers. Train yourself to say something nice. Afterwards, look for a way of getting the number. Today, this is a digital world. Tafadhali, usitoke hapa na bila number na bila Yesu. I'm just repeating what somebody said.
Get the point. Take a step forward.